What's up, traders? Today, the Qs were up 1.56% after Friday's aggressive sell-off. Buyers showed up, but one strong session doesn't automatically repair the damage. Tuesday is shaping up to be an important test, so let's break it down. Let's start with the daily. After getting hit hard on Friday, the Qs found support and staged a solid recovery session. Price closed at 716.07 and pushed back into the middle of the recent structure. The first major level overhead sits at 723.03. If buyers can reclaim that area, the next structural level on the chart comes in at 731.69. On the downside, 713.07 remains the first support level to watch. Below that sits 705.06, followed by the major support level at 704.32. Those are the levels buyers need to defend if they want this recovery to continue building. Dropping down to the hourly, the picture becomes a little clearer. Buyers spent most of the session rebuilding structure above 713.07 after Friday's breakdown. That's constructive behavior, but the market still hasn't reclaimed the resistance levels that would shift momentum back in favor of the bulls. For now, this remains a prove-it environment rather than a confirmed trend reversal. My current lean is neutral. Buyers need to prove they can reclaim 723.03 before momentum starts shifting higher. Sellers need to prove they can break 713.07 before downside pressure begins building again. As long as price remains trapped between those two levels, this is simply a battle for control. The invalidation level remains 704.32. Now let's zoom all the way into the 5-minute. The Qs spent most of the afternoon holding gains and finishing near the upper portion of the session range. That tells us buyers were willing to defend price into the close, but Tuesday's open is where the next decision gets made. If buyers can establish acceptance above 723.03, then 731.69 becomes the next area overhead to monitor. If sellers regain control below 713.07, attention shifts back towards 705.06 and 704.32. Between those levels, price is simply building information. One side still needs to take control, and until that happens, the chart is asking traders to remain patient and let the market reveal its hand. The market pays traders for patience. Anticipation feels productive, but confirmation is what protects capital. If you found value in today's breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. Every bit of support helps the channel grow and keeps these daily market recaps coming. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay sharp.